Good morning, students. Today, let us see the cubic identities in chapter 3, that is continuation. Already we finished two identities in cubic. This is the third one. X plus A, see the third identity, x plus A into x plus B into x plus C. First you have to select the first two. You can multiply this two. After that you can join this the third one. After that you can multiply with third one. So find out this one, x into x plus B. First term, first bracket, plus A into x plus B. First you have to multiply this. After that into x plus C. Now this one is the answer, x into x plus B into plus A into x plus B. So x into x, x squared, x into B, bx plus A into x, ax plus A into B, ab. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 terms. You have to multiply by x, first one. So x squared into x, first one. You have to multiply. Power here 1. So 2 plus 1, 3x cube. Plus next one, bx into x, b into here also x power 1, so x power 1 into x power 1, x squared, bx squared plus ax into x, ax squared plus ab into x, abx. That's all over. So next plus here again second term. So now next this 4 terms multiply with c. So x squared into c, cx squared plus bx into c, bcx plus ax into c, acx plus ab into c. So plus last term abc. That's all. Now we have selected which is the like terms you can select. So keep the first one as it is, x cube. The first term is x cube as it is, plus here see the x squared term, bx squared, ax squared, cx squared. These are all like terms. So x squared is common. So you have to put the bracket a plus b plus c into x squared. Next abx, bcx, acx, that is common. So put that bracket ab plus bc plus ac outside x. Last term keep it separately, abc. That's all. This is the answer for the identity, cubic identity. Again I am telling, listen carefully. Here 3 brackets are there, x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. So first you can select the first two, x plus a into x plus b. You can keep it outside, then x plus c is outside. And the next one, as usual, you can select the x into x plus b, x a into second term, a into x plus b. So x into x, here x squared, b into x, bx plus a into x, ax plus a into b, ab. This one we have first bracket 4 terms. Then outside x plus c is there. So first term is x. So you can multiply this 4 terms by x. So x cube, x squared into x power 1, x cube plus second bx into x, bx squared plus ax into x, ax squared plus ab into x, abx over. Now second one c. So again you have to multiply this 4 terms by c. X squared into c, cx squared plus bx into c, bcx, ax into c, acx. Last one ab, ab into c, abc. Now we have to select the common terms. Whichever one is the like terms you have to select. So here x cube, here bx squared, ax squared, cx squared, like terms. So you can put it in the a plus b plus c in the bracket. X squared is common, so keep the x squared outside. Next one abx, bcx, acx. So x is common, so ab plus bc plus ac. In the bracket put the x is outside. Last term abc. Keep as it is. So the answer is x cube plus a plus b plus c x squared, ab plus bc plus ac into x plus abc. This is the final answer. This is x squared. Is it clear? Okay students, now let us see the next heading is then expand the following. You can expand the given one by using the identities. See the first one, a plus 2 the whole squared. First you have to find out which identity, that is then look like same first identity only. So first one identity is what? A plus b the whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. First you have to find out which identity you can use. First you have to write that one. So a plus b the whole squared identity only. So here instead of a, here a only, instead of b the number 2 is given. So you have to write that one first. A equal to a only, b equal to 2. You can apply the values in this formula. So first one, a squared. So keep the a squared as it is. First term a equal to a only, then plus 2ab. 2a into, instead of b you can put that value 2 here, then in the sum given, no, then instead of b the value is 2, plus b squared, instead of b 2 only, so 2 squared. So first keep the a squared as it is, plus 2 into 2, you have to multiply the number 2 into 2, 4a plus 2 squared means 2 into 2, 4. So the answer a squared plus 4a plus 4. Is it clear? See the next one, 3 minus a, 3 minus a the whole squared. Here instead of a 3, then here instead of b that is a. So here in between minus sign, so you can select the second identity, a minus b the whole squared. So the answer is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. First you can find out the identity and write down. So next one, instead of a, this one is 3, instead of b that is a. So a squared means 3 squared minus 2 into, instead of a 3 into, instead of b a, plus b squared means a squared. So the answer 3 into 3, 3 squared means 9 minus 2 3s are 6a plus a squared. So you have to write in that correct order. Here always constant will be the last only. So keep the first a squared minus 6a plus 9. So here there is no sign means that is understood plus. So the answer a squared minus 6a plus 9. Again I am telling, listen here, next one 3 minus a the whole squared, that is we can use the second identity a minus b the whole squared. The answer is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here in this sum given, instead of a we have to write that 3, instead of b we have to write that a. So first one is a squared, so 3 squared minus 2ab, 2 into, here instead of a 3 into, instead of b a. So 2 into 3 into a. The last term plus b squared. Here instead of b that is a squared. So 3 squared means power of 3. 3 into 3 9 plus 9 only. Here minus 2 3s are 6 6a plus a squared. Keep the a squared as it is. So here always the constant come to the last only. So for power, first highest power come to the first. So you have to change it, rearrange that one formula. So a squared, keep the a squared first. A squared minus 6a plus 9. This is the final answer. Is it clear?